Monday, February 12th, 2024. Focus. Let steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing. Our faith is often tested. My friend had an accident, and because of that, she lost her job. She had to accept odd jobs just to make ends meet. To top it all, her son fell into bad company. She often cried to me on the phone, questioning where God was in all this. I had no reply to give. Yet, today's readings give me comfort and meaning. Life's varied circumstances draw a variety of responses. But our response must not be like that of the Pharisees who demanded a sign, but those who believe. The testing of your faith produces steadfastness. Hard times need wisdom to elicit a faith response. If anyone lacks wisdom, ask God. Whatever our response, Jesus waits on the other side. He invites all whose yoke is heavy because of trials, confusion, or illness. In faith, we can seek Him, find Him, talk to Him, listen to Him, and steadfastly build our relationship with Him. This steadfastness makes us perfect and complete. As the psalmist says, "Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I keep your word." Although a million issues try and destabilize us, God's word and real presence in the Eucharist hold us grounded and steadfast. Fruit. I will pursue a steadfast relationship with Jesus, who alone leads me to perfection.